Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Being an engineer, if you are having a dream to work at DRDO as a scientist, then you should watch this video up to the last, because in this video I am going to tell you how you can get a job at DRDO with or without GATE scorecard. So let's have a discussion. Dear students, first of all, the DRDO stands for the Defense Research and Development Organization. DRDO, Raksha Anusandhan Evam Vikas Sansthan in Hindi I can say, is an agency under the Department of Defense Research and Development in Ministry of Defense of the Government of India, charged with the military's research and development, and its headquarters is in Delhi. Here you can see there are four types of job available. There are four types of post available in scientist, for which you can apply based on your qualification. So they are as follows: Scientist B post, Scientist C post, Scientist D post, and Scientist E post. Okay, usually the Scientist B and Scientist C post, they used to recruit on the basis of GATE scorecard. In 2022 also they recruited on the basis of GATE scorecard, and in 2023 also they recruited for Scientist B post, okay, on the basis of GATE scorecard. This year also it will release, but now we are waiting. The remaining post including Scientist B also you can apply for without GATE scorecard. How, I will tell you. So upper age limit, candidates above the age of 28 are ineligible for the DRDO test. So upper age limit is 28 years only. Age relaxation is surely here for SC/ST candidates. For Scientist B post it is 33 year, 5 year of relaxation. For OBC it is 31 year, 3 year of relaxation. Age limit is also relaxed for the candidates who are from armed forces as per rules. In Scientist D and E, age relaxation is up to 45 years, and in Scientist C it is up to 35 years. Okay, now how you will get here? First of all, so they used to conduct, DRDO used to conduct their own exam, which is called SET, Scientist Entry Test. Through this test you can get direct entry as a scientist in DRDO, my dear students. So here you can see mode of exam will be offline here. Okay, frequency they used to have once in a year, this exam they used to conduct. Eligibility is bachelor degree. If you are having BE BTech, then also you are eligible. Master's degree, then also you are eligible. If you are a final year student, then also you are eligible. Or if you are having a GATE scorecard, then also you are eligible. Since here this I just taken from the old post, so you can see this is mentioned here for the previous year, means the 16, 17, 18 GATE scorecard. So you should not worry about this one. So if a candidate is having GATE scorecard, then also you are eligible. If you are not having GATE scorecard, only BE BTech, ME MTech, okay, then also you are eligible for applying this exam, Scientist Entry Test, SET. Number of section here they are having two. I will tell you what is the paper pattern also. Section A and Section B, duration will be 3 hours, that is 180 minutes, and age limit is, as I already told you, upper age limit is 28 years, so between 18 to 27 years we can take here. Exam pattern is, they are having two type of the section 1 and 2. First section is having subject specific question, where 100 questions we can see, number of marks is 400, and second, subject specific means your branch is specific. Second is including logical relations, spatial reasoning, concept formation, numerical reasoning, abstract reasoning. So this is all about the reasoning, okay, aptitude and reasoning. So number of questions are 50, marks is 100. So overall this is 500 marks paper, and number of questions are 150 in this one. So if I will talk about what is the pay level, so as I told you, this is a SAT paper, okay, Scientist Entry Test. Here you guys can try without GATE scorecard also, you can apply here and you can get a job as a scientist also. So here this is the first pattern. Now here you can see what is the salary for DRDO's employee. So you can see, dear students, Scientist B level 10, they are having initial pay as in 56,100. This is the initial pay only. After that some perks, allowances, HRA, DA, lots of the things will be included. So in this case that will be a very good CTC also, but I am talking about only the initial pay. So Scientist C, this is 67,700, Scientist D 78,800, level 11, 12 is mentioned here. Scientist E level 13, 1,23,000, and after that they are having Scientist F G also, which is based on the experience also. Scientist H is also there, DS is also there, and secretary post is there. So I can say the pay scale in DRDO will be just like 56,100 to 2,25,000. You can start from this value and you can go up to this one also. So there is a huge amount, surely we can say. And dear students, still if you not join our I Must Get Academy Telegram group, you can join the Telegram group. Link is already mentioned in the description box. Just like this video, we will make lots of the videos here and in the future also. So all the upcoming videos notification you will get through our Telegram group also. Other than this, all the free lecture PDF you will get here. Okay, important updates related to the seminar webinar also you will get here. So lots of the features you will get. And if you guys are preparing for GATE 2025 or a 2026, so you can join our I Must Get Academy live online program, where we are providing 800 plus hours of the live classes. Okay, theory book, exercise book, which is having more than 4,000 plus questions. Last 33 years GATE questions we are providing to our students. One-to-one mentorship session we are providing. We are providing 130 plus online test with the video solution also. For more details, you can directly contact to our student advisory team. You can book a free counseling session with our student advisory team, so they will give you a proper guidance also. And here, dear students, if you are looking for a preparation with the test series, so you can join our test series plus program, where you will get 130 plus online test. You will get 2 books of last 33 year PYQs, GATE PYQs. Okay, first is for your technical subject, second is containing engineering, mathematics and general aptitude. Okay, doubt solving portal is available, online revision and score booster session will be available, post GATE guidance you will get, PSUs mock interviews will be also available. So our books looks like this. So if you will enroll, suppose you are from mechanical, if you will enroll for mechanical for the test series plus, so you will get the book for mechanical also, as well as engineering, mathematics and general aptitude also. Okay, this is the price for test series plus 3299. If you are looking only for the test series, so this will be 1770, but in test series you will not get the books here. Okay, and also you will not get the PSU mock interview preparation. So better you should go with the test series plus program. For more details you can directly contact to our student advisory team. So just book a free counseling for having better clarity. Stay connected to I Must Get Academy YouTube channel for more such type of videos. Till that, bye bye, take care बच्चों, thank you.